car vacuum cleaner removes dirt, dust, and debris, keeping interiors clean and hygienic easily. Why today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaner that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Dustix car vacuum cleaner. This cordless car vacuum is a compact and powerful cleaning tool designed for everyday use in cars, homes, and offices. With up to 12,000 pascal suction power, it effectively removes dust, crumbs, and debris from seats, mats, and tight spaces, making interior cleaning quick and convenient. The dual gear system is a useful feature, allowing users to switch between light cleaning for daily dust and stronger suction for deeper cleaning tasks. Its cordless and lightweight design makes it highly portable and easy to handle without the hassle of wires. Powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery with Type-C charging, it offers consistent performance and convenient recharging. The washable HEPA filter adds long-term value by allowing repeated use while helping trap fine dust particles effectively. Its compact size makes storage simple, and it works well as a multi-purpose mini vacuum for cars, desks, and small spaces. Overall, this is a practical, efficient, and user-friendly cleaning device for everyday messes. Now our second product is Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaner. This mini car vacuum is a practical and efficient cleaning solution for keeping vehicle interiors neat and dust-free. Weighing only 2.4 pounds, it is lightweight, compact, and easy to handle, making it ideal for quick cleanups as well as deeper detailing. The large dustbin is a useful feature, easily handling ash, crumbs, dust, and small spills from daily use. Powered by a 106W motor with strong cyclonic suction, it effectively removes dirt and debris from hard-to-reach areas like under seats and tight corners. It performs especially well for common messes such as sand, pet hair, and food particles. The washable HEPA filter adds value by helping trap fine dust while being reusable. The included accessories, flathead, extendable, and brush nozzles, make cleaning more precise and versatile. A carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter are also provided for convenience. Powered through a 12V outlet with a long 16-foot cord, it ensures uninterrupted cleaning across the entire vehicle. Our third product is Houscly car vacuum cleaner. This handheld vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for both car and home use. Equipped with an upgraded 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers strong suction power up to 20,000 pascals, effectively removing dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from tight spaces and surfaces. The brushless design also ensures lower noise, higher efficiency, and longer durability compared to traditional motors. With a high-capacity 6,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 30 minutes of runtime in low mode and supports fast Type-C charging in about 3 to 3.5 hours, making it convenient for daily use. The dual-function system adds extra value by allowing both suction and air-blowing modes, useful for cleaning keyboards, vents, and inflatables. The 0.4L dust cup reduces frequent emptying, while the washable HEPA filter helps maintain strong, consistent suction. At just 0.7 pounds, it is extremely lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, this is a compact, powerful, and highly practical cleaning device for everyday maintenance. Now number 4, Jixinmiyue car vacuum cleaner. This 7-in-1 car vacuum cleaning kit is a versatile and powerful solution for both vehicle and home cleaning. With multiple accessories including brush, blower, and nozzle attachments, it easily handles different tasks such as dust removal, deep cleaning, and quick blowing. The included storage case keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Powered by a 16,000 pascals brushless motor, it delivers strong suction capable of removing embedded dirt, crumbs, and stubborn pet hair from seats, floor mats, and tight spaces. It works well for both car detailing and household use, making it highly practical. The cordless design adds excellent convenience, allowing unrestricted movement without power cords. Its lightweight and compact build makes it easy to store and carry, especially for travel or outdoor use. With Type-C fast charging and a battery life of 20 to 45 minutes, it provides reliable cleaning sessions. The HEPA filtration system ensures efficient dust capture, while the washable dustbin and filter make maintenance simple and cost-effective. And our last choice is Iyofine car vacuum cleaner. This vacuum/air duster is a highly versatile 4-in-1 cleaning tool designed for home, car, electronics, and outdoor use. With multiple suction and spray tips included, it easily handles tasks like cleaning keyboards, PCs, and tight spaces, while also working well for inflating gear or managing campfire setups. Powered by an advanced 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it delivers up to 21,000 pascals of strong suction, ensuring efficient removal of dust, crumbs, and debris. The brushless design improves performance, durability, and overall lifespan compared to traditional motors. The device is simple to operate with one-click controls and multiple power levels to suit different cleaning needs. Its 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 40 minutes of runtime, and Type-C charging makes it convenient to recharge using various power sources. Compact and lightweight, it is easy to carry and store, with a handy storage case for accessories. All attachments are washable, adding to long-term usability. Overall, this is a powerful, multifunctional, and practical cleaning device for everyday and outdoor use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.